Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Hyundai Tucson, stock reference number 5822. This shape ran from 07 to 2015 to 01 2021. It has a D4HA 4-cylinder 2-litre turbo diesel engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our D4HA 4-cylinder 2-litre turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, folded the headlight. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door, trim. Right front master switch. Center console, gear stick, heat AC controls, touchscreen display, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.